Daddy, what is that?
I guess a carrot.
Huh? And why does it look like a big fly? I touched once. Can I try? No! I'm afraid of it now.